Hi friends, this is Santosh. Today we are talking about TCS NQT friends. TCS is conducting NQT for overall students who are from big college campus interviews, and for other students which are small college, and every student can attend the NQT with irrespective of branches. All can apply. All are eligible for this exam. Friends, in this we have national qualified test for this year. We have no test on May 1st and May 13th, friends. The last date of registration is April 20. I'm showing you to how to how to register the NQT. We should go to Google TCS NQT. Click on the NQT. Next will show the TCS NQT qualified test, friends. Click on the first one, and you're showing that TCS NQT. Yeah. Limited registration closes on 20 April 2021, friends. First, we should register this, friends. After registration, you must take the course based on your branch and your education. We have your TCS NQT variant. In this TCS NQT, Industry NQT, and Subject NQT, friends. Now we will explain about NQT. NQT. In NQT we have, friends. Yeah, NQT cognitive skills. Test is only for 600, friends, and discount of 25%, because they are paying, because it's hiring a big role, I think. That's the reason they have a cost for this. Before the TCS has a free of cost for this NQTs, and they changed the process of NQT also, friends. This is new pattern from April, friends. And this NQT conjugate skills, friends, it is mandatory for every student. Every student should attend this NQT. After this only you are eligible for the any other courses and job. Based on this NQT, friends, your ability will be identified by them. Based on your ability answering, they'll consider your mindset, and they'll set a different job for you. Okay, friends. Next, we have other examples. Attitudinal alignment NQT, friends. This is psychometric test. This is based on your behavior testing, friends. This is, I think this is not mandatory for you, but this is very mandatory, friends. Means we have other NQT na, friends. Yeah, okay. Friends, first apply the basic NQT, then go to others. Okay. Friends, we'll go next to the industry NQT, friends. Okay, and we have subject NQT, but basic we should attend the cognitive test. After that only we will go to any other test. But what is there in the cognitive test, we should know that, my friends. Yeah, okay, we are going about that, about the test. NQT cognitive test per request for all, 2 years validity, friends. If you attend this now, we have a NQT score for 2 years, friends. For next 2 years you no need to write the NQT again. And this can be applied for UG, PG, diploma students in the pre-final and final year. Means a diploma student of pre-final year also, and a BTech from 3 2 and 4 1 4 2, all are eligible to write this exam, friends. And we know we want about test, means okay. We have NQT cognitive skills, performance basic of cognitive skills. In cognitive we have, friends, verbal questioning, numerical questioning, and reasonability questioning, friends. We should know about English verbal and grammar exactly, and numerical like prime, etc. Some of this, and reasoning skills, means if you the given paragraph, means you have able to reason the paragraph, and you should answer from it, friends. And friends, please hurry up. There is no time. I think April 20 means they have only left 9 days to register, friends. Process is you should register, friends. Here we have, I think I'm already in registration. That thing it's showing to login for, means. If you are new, means it's ask registration process, friends. Nothing, you it's just normal information they ask us about your education qualification, and what type of exam you want to write, online or an offline. Means offline means you can go to office and you should write, friends. So online means you should write at home only by webcam, friends. Please hurry up, friends. Don't worry. Please, there is no time. I think this time we have only limited seats only. Please hurry up. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel.